Beautiful morning for everyone. God bless you. Radhe Krishna. Radhe Krishna. Radhe Krishna. When we say Radhe Krishna, wealth, that wealth is permanent. That wealth is unchanging. That wealth is wellness. So, that well begun is oft done. In that manner, to start with Ganapatiyam. There are 6 kinds of worship in Hinduism. Number 1, you can say that 1008 gods are there. 1008 gods are there. That is not the issue. 33 kodi, again 30 crores of gods are there. Or so many numerous gods are there. But that is limited to 6 kinds of worship. Number 1, Ganapatiyam. Number 2, Saivam. Number 3, Vaishnavam. Number 4, Sakyam. Number 5, Gaumaram. Number 6, Jyotiyam. In that way, all the gods are subject to all these 6 only. Regarding Ganapatiyam, we say Parasivam, Sinmayam, Puranam, Sivabhoga Bhagyam, Paramanidiyam. These are all the words told by Vallalar. He is Ramalinga Swamigal. And in that Tiruvadi Pugachi, praise the Lord, we say, that praise the Lord is nothing but Tiruvadi Pugachi. Tiruvadi is here, Bhagavan, the divine power. The divine power's holy feet is called Tiruvadi. Pugachi, praise the Lord, praise it. You say praise the Lord, we say praise the feet. You, by that way, you surrender. That surrender, full surrender is exhibited in that Tiruvadi Pugachi. Tiruvadi means pronounced to the lotus feet. That lotus feet is called as Tiruvadi. Pugachi, pronounced to the lotus feet, is nothing but praise the Lord. Pronounced to the lotus feet. That pronounced to the lotus feet is called Tiruvadi Pugachi. In that Tiruvadi Pugachi, we say first lines Parasivam. Parasivam is nothing but a turmeric Ganesha. We pick up some turmeric and we put it as Ganesha. That is called Parasivam. When we see that, it will look like Sivam. So it is called Parasivam. Chinmayam means Jivatma. You know that Chinmutra. That Chinmutra is called Chinmayam. That Chinmayam is observed when we take Baski, when we do the brain yoga. That chin, when we sit and stand, we hold the ears with those 2 hands. What are those 2 hands? Thumb finger and first finger. And that 2 fingers joined together, that is called Chinmutra. We hold it, our ears, by that way. We hold it like this. Thumb finger, this is. That's all, Chinmutra. This is called Chinmayam. Puranam. Puranam is enlightenment. Puranam, when you take something, Puranam is sweet. That is the sweet offered to Ganesha. That Puranam. If you take little thing, little Puranam from that, remaining is also Puranam. That is called enlightenment. That is called completeness. That is called existence and complete happiness. Puranam. Sivabhoga Bhagyam. Sivabhoga Bhagyam is nothing but Lord Ganesha is this son of mother or son of father. Both, of course. Here, whether he is related to Sakti, it is Sakti Bhoga Bhagyam. If he is related to Siva, Siva Bhoga Bhagyam. Here, it is Siva Bhoga Bhagyam in the sense, when Ganesha is there with human face, it was Sakti Bhoga Bhagyam. The same Ganesha loses his head with the fight of the Siva. So, elephant face is put up. So that becomes Sivabhoga Bhagyam. That Sivabhoga Bhagyam is nothing but the face, elephant face Ganesha is Sivabhoga Bhagyam. Paramanidhyam. If you pray Lakshmi, you will get money. If you pray Kubera, you will get money. If you pray Shakti, you will get courage. If you pray Saraswati, you will get knowledge. But if you pray Ganesha, you will get cash. That cash, that is called Paramanidhyam. That is called Vatrada Selvame. Vatrada Selvame in the sense that Vatrada Selvam is nothing but Paramanidhyam. That is the record of Punya. Whatever you do good, and that wealth is called Paramanidhyam Arpanam. If you do Ganesh Puja, you will get Paramanidhyam. Hence Parasivam, Sinmayam, Puranam, Sivabhoga Bhagyam, Paramanidhyam. In that way, we have that Ganesha worship. And it goes like that. To start with Trivadi Pugachi, today is Purvashada. In the Purvashada, what does Vallalar say? Purvashada Sambhava Adidam. Sambhava Adidam, incident, and there was, he is fond of incidents. What, this is an incident. Tomorrow is an incident. 10 o'clock one program. That programs are precedent. Programs are incident. That incidents are glorified. And accidents are casual. But incidents are planned, pre-planned. That incidents are here retold. Incidents are here history. That made history. That historic performance will be done for Purvashada. That Purvashada is nothing but complete happiness. Complete happiness in the sense Uttarashada and Purvashada. Today Uttarashada, yesterday Purvashada. This Purvashada and Uttarashada are both sides of the coin. The both sides of the coins are implying to us about happiness, and we can say that sadness, it's not sadness, but Uttarashada means that this is sugar cane, that is sugar cane in the top, sugar cane in the bottom, like that Purvashada, Uttarashada. In other words, Purvashada is president, Uttarashada is secretary. So whatever it is happiness. It is forenoon happiness, afternoon happiness. In that way it goes, that Purvashada and Uttarashada. So we make all the incidents, all the Sambhava Adhitam, Bhavata Ragidam, Bodha Ragida Sagitam, Parama Bhotam, Aprameyam. They don't expect any thanks. That is called Purvashada. Uttarashada means short and sweet. Sirpadam, Arpanam. They take small words, but that small words will give great meaning. That is called Vamana Avatara. Vamana Avatara is very small. The next day, the next minute, he becomes Trivikrama. That is called Sirpadam. They are all short and sweet. They won't speak more Uttarashada people. Uttarashada means happiness. That happiness will be given, will be driven. If a man born in Uttarashada, and he will be the best man, he will be the earning man, he will be the breadwinner, and he will make all others happy. And he will not drink tea by single. He will take some 7 or 8 people, then only he will have a party, get together, celebrity. And like that he have gathering. He is a man of good waters. At the same time, Uttarashada is Sadananda Saram. What is great? Fruit is great or juice is great? Sada Ananda Saram. Sada Ananda. Always happiness. That Anandam is converted into juice. That Sadananda Saram is felt with Uttarashada day. Today is juice. What juice? Happiness. Juice of happiness. That juice of happiness is here, Uttarashada. Anyway, so in that way, anyway, we have Purvashada and Uttarashada are both sides of the coin. And we will be happy and we will be enlightened with both of things. And we have, these are all called bamboos. Bamboos and sugar cane. Bamboos are there and sugar cane are there. Some bamboos will look like sugar cane, but at the same time, they are not sugar cane, but they are bamboos. So some may hoodwink us, some may misguide us, but Sugar cane is good. The sugar, bamboo sometimes look like sugar cane. But we follow all the words of Vallalar. We follow all the words of Bhishma Gita. We follow all the words of Adi Sankara. We follow all the words of Kanda Guru Gavasam, Runagirinathar. So we are happy to propagate this star psychology, star way. That Nakshatrayanam is here Narayanam. Narayanam means way. Narayana means immortal way. Nakshatrayanam is the Narayanam. Now, the way of stars, the lifestyle of stars is nothing but the changeless way. That is called Nakshatrayanam is Narayanam. That is Purvashada and Uttarashada. Thank you for the chance given.